How to download an MP3 from Speechify. You can export any document as an audio file for your phone, your car, or offline listening, and I will show you the exact path. I will also show you the wall a lot of people hit on the way, because it is not obvious until you are already 3 clicks in. Start by opening the document you want as audio. I will go to my library and open this file. With the document open, the export lives in the menu bar at the top. Click File. You get Rename, Move, Share, Copy Link, and at the bottom, Download. Hover over Download and the submenu appears with the option you want, Audio, MP3. Click that. Now the download dialog. At the top is the voice your MP3 will use, and there is a drop-down to change it, but read the small print underneath, because it saves a wasted attempt. Celebrity, custom, and free voices are not supported for downloads. So a voice you cloned yourself cannot be exported. You need one of the standard voices. Below that is the MP3 downloads limit. Speechify meters exports in hours of audio rather than number of files, and this bar shows how much of your allowance is left. Then you click Continue. And here is the part worth knowing before you start. Audio downloads require a paid plan. If you are inside the free trial, as this account is, Speechify shows you the file, tells you how long it runs, and then asks you to skip the trial and pay now to actually get the MP3. So the download allowance you just saw is real, but it does not unlock while your trial is still running. I am not going to click that button here because it charges immediately. What it means practically is simple. If you only need to listen, the trial is fine and the reader does everything. If exporting audio files is the reason you are signing up, plan on being a paying subscriber from day one and pick the yearly price rather than monthly, because monthly costs more than double for the same feature. So that is the full path and the honest catch. File, download, audio MP3, choose a supported voice, continue, and a paid plan to finish the job. Subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.